Here we go for the first tournament. It's me, Hunter. This was really not outside. We just did 4th of July today, so check out those videos. So today we have a cars tournament. We have the white engine and the green race car. We got the limousine and the SS car. The next up is the camo car and the flash car. The next up is the lifter and the taxi. So let's choose your car of who is gonna win. Put it in the comments below who will win. So first up is white engine and the green race car. Ready, set, go. Green race car. Here's the white engine and here's the green race car. He was all the way over there. So, green race car gets up to the next round. You're going to hear some TV right in here in a second. So, TV and the green race car goes to the next round. We have the SS car and the limousine. Ready, set, go. Limousine. Limousine lost that, so she's in the 5th place with the others. Sorry, limousine. The SS car is getting in the lead. Here's the next one. The camo car and the flash. Ready, set, go. The camo went in front. He won. Camo goes to the next round. Here comes the taxi and the lifter. Lifter went out of bounds. So, these are the foul lines. That's right there and this. So, the winner is the taxi because lifter got out of thing. Let me taxi hold you. Wow. Let me go get that. Thank goodness this charger is fast enough. So here we go. Taxi won that one. Goes to the next round. Here's our 5th place. People. 5th place, people. Fifth place. Now here comes the semi-finals. We got the green race car, the SS car, the camo car, and the taxi. First is the SS car and the green car, and the green race car. Ready, set, go. Oh, 2 of them went out of bounds. So they had to go again. Sorry for all the noise from the TV. Here we go. Ready, set, go. The SS car won that. And the green race car lost that by an inch. So, SS car goes to the next round. Here comes the taxi and the camo car. Ready, set, go. Sorry, put my knee in there. So, taxi lost from that. Sorry. So dark. my phone. So here's the thing. We have to fight for third place. Who will win? The green race car or the taxi? Taxi got in third place and the green race car got in fourth. So here's fifth, fourth, and third goes to the next tournament. Here we go for the winner's spot. We got the SS car and the camera car. Ready, set, go. Who won that? SS car is the winner. SS car is the winner. Here's first, here's third, second, and first. We got the winners right here. They are going to be in the next tournament. So, see you guys. Subscribe if you want. Leave a thumbs up if you liked it. Put